And there it is. There's some lightning strikes on the side of me here. This one's probably gonna go down to the truck stop. This is a severe thunderstorm. You see the lightning strikes coming out of it. This is about to pass over the road. There's been some lightning strikes coming from this storm right now, and it's fits to pass over me here. There doesn't seem to be a funnel coming out of it, but that's a wall cloud, so I'm kind of watching it, and I got a feeling by the time it goes over me right now. I'm backing up a little bit. I'm not getting on the highway here because I'm just backing up to get the better view of that. So anyway, the issue is severe thunderstorm warning. There are lightning strikes coming out of this cloud as I'm keeping an eye on it. No tornado warning so far, as you can see. But I'm watching this edge over here. As you see, it's starting to pass over Leonard Road right now. This is passing over the fields. This is what they call Lucas on the map. So pretty soon I'm going to get engulfed with a wall of rain here pretty soon. So this is heading over to South Bossier City. Actually, it's heading over there to Sligo Road right now. So those over in that area better be ready for this storm coming in. It's got a lot of heavy rain, as you can tell, and it's fixing to come across the road here. The rain has stopped. That's kind of weird.